The journey begins here. Transforming agricultural waste into sustainable fiber is the future of this industry.
The freshly harvested banana stems are immediately transported to the processing line, where they are thoroughly washed with water jets in a sterile environment.
The split stems move rapidly through the heavy metal rollers, which crush and flatten them, squeezing out excess water and sap.
The washed fibers are fed into the carding machine, where large rotating drums covered in metal spikes straighten them.
The fibers are fed into a spinning preparatory machine, where they are twisted slightly to form a thick rope or sliver.
Here, the raw banana fibers undergo treatment in the vat, swirling in the chemical solution until they are pristine white and ready for spinning.
The processed white fiber sheets move along to the final drying oven, marking the transition from
Utilizing advanced automation, hundreds of banana fibers are simultaneously twisted into fine yarn, showcasing incredible efficiency. These highly detailed textures reveal the true nature of banana fiber. Its organic irregularities highlight a genuinely eco-friendly origin.
With pinpoint accuracy, the automated arm palletizes the finished banana fiber cones, minimizing human contact and maximizing efficiency.
Almost there, watch the left side. Secured. Start the wrap. And so the cycle completes, as nature provides the fiber for a sustainable future.